My name is Mohammed Salman Anjum and I'm the Chief Executive for the InvoiceMate. As the name suggests, it is the ecosystem for the invoicing. We are trying to solve the problems of invoicing for different reasons like fake invoicing and under invoicing, over invoicing and processing part of the invoicing. So InvoiceMate is a digital transformation tool for the invoicing systems of small businesses to the large systems. We are at amazing Park Tech Summit Silicon Valley 2022 and the vibe is great. And what we believe that there should be more events like this. This is a great bridge between the Pakistani startups with the ecosystem of the Silicon Valley, whether you are coming here to do some strategic partnerships or you are seeking investment or maybe you are seeking some clientele. I think this is a very nice effort done by Ejad Labs and their partners, and we look forward to participate in such events in future as well.